Hello, welcome to vlog 4 of my YouTube channel. I am watching Tanmay Bhatt's vlog right now, and it's this one. It's roasting Gary Minati. 2 दिन पहले we had the World Cup finals and India won.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening.
I just wanted to come here and say that एक मैंने इंस्टा पे पोस्ट देखा अभी. On one side Virat Kohli who had lifted Sachin Tendulkar on his shoulders after the 2011 World Cup victory. Side में एक फोटो थी विराट कोहली की अकेले with the Indian flag on his shoulders. And I just felt like I've lived through a decade of my life watching Virat Kohli play cricket. I didn't know how to express this in words because India is a place where cricket is like another religion for us. कोई स्पोर्ट हम देखें या ना देखें, we always watch cricket. We are always updated about Indian cricket. मुझे विश्वास ही नहीं हुआ कि मैंने वो 2011 वाला मैच भी देखा है with the same enthusiasm as I watched the 2024 match. And I was like, shit man, shit, I've lived through like the whole thing. It was just mind-blowing. But yeah, let me take you through my 5th year law school journey on this vlog. Not law school journey, like पूरी journey नहीं, but my 5th year. It starts from this week. बोला तो है 8th July से start होएगा. I'm still waiting for my timetable. This year actually is going to be different because I will not be with my friend. I will be in another specialization. मैंने criminal law specialization लिया है, उसने corporate law लिया है. I don't know what my other friends have taken. I have no idea. It's gonna be different. I'm super excited for this year for some reason. ये मेरा last year है law school का. I have this whole plan that I want to make the most of it. सब कुछ करना है. ये साल तो it's gonna be the best year of my college life ever. तो देखो जसनदी ये
डबल किए डबल पैसे तो पाएगा।
हाँ क्या जी?
ये लो भाई 100 रुपए आपके।
तो अच्छी ट्रेन आती तो सबको
जारी
मैंने दे दिए।
कौन है ये लोग, कहाँ से आते हैं?
The next morning.
Hi guys, as you can see I'm all dressed up. I'm going to drop my bua off to the airport. She leaves for Miami today.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਜਾਓ।
We'll be going to Terminal 2 after a month or something. I don't know. I last went when I went to Maldives. I wish I could vlog on Maldives, but Maldives was just... The vibe was a very grateful vibe. And I'm so happy that I got to experience Maldives. Like that's a whole another vlog that I need to discuss. Maldives. उसके लिए मैं एक अलग vlog बनाऊंगी. But this is my fit check. This is how I look. See what the airport. Hi, I am back from dropping my daddy off. She's going back home with my cousin brother. I'm back from dropping my bua from the airport. This is bittersweet. Hopefully we get to go to Miami, me and my sister, next year or this year. Let's hope. मेरा ग्रांड प्री देखने का तो बहुत मन है. Let's see what happens.
Tomorrow.
Hello. I went for an interview. It was a success. I joined from tomorrow. I'm super excited, super nervous. This is something I've not really filmed before. कोई interview के बाद का experience. So I don't know how to word it, but it went nice and I just feel grateful. It's nearby. It's convenient in the sense that the advocate understands मेरा college होएगा 2 दिन, so I will not be able to come to the office on those days. That's a bonus. We'll see. I need to order more clothes because college में भी formals पहनना है. We have the mail. मेल देख के तो बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा आया था. अभी मेरे शक्ल से लग नहीं रहा होगा, बट आई वॉज सो अनॉयड कि लाइक the one place, the last year of college where we're supposed to enjoy, supposed to chill, supposed to have fun, we are gonna have to wear formals. But then again, can't complain. It's just college things. It's a new chapter in my law school journey. Let's see how it goes.
12 seconds later.
दिल्ली में कुतुब मीनार है, वो भी तो बड़ा है ना, वो इनका थोड़ी है।
The next day. Six and a half hours later.
I am at a new place to deliver some documents. Hello cuties. So I have ordered this power bank from Amazon and it is Portronics ka Lux Cell Wireless Mini Power Bank. I'm not sure how this is gonna be. This is my first time ordering a power bank for my iPhone. I've never used it before and I saw YouTube reviews and YouTube reviews were very shitty ki like I saw what's the best power bank to order for iPhone and मुझे like 6-7 हज़ार के मिल रहे. Like I get it what you mean by best power bank. It should also be budget friendly, no dude. I don't get it. I will use this product. I will let you all know the reviews कैसा है क्या है. Not very positive reviews but not very bad reviews also. I hope it's good. I hope it's good.
A few moments later.
It's a Saturday. I have reached home early and I'm so happy. Super happy. Yes. घर जाके सोऊंगी. इतना सोऊंगी ना हिसाब ही नहीं है. I will see y'all in the next vlog. This is it for this vlog. Let me know if you like it or not. Bye bye. See you later.
झूठ बोल रहा है।
मैंने कहा था vlog ended, but it didn't.
चीटिंग करता है तू, चीटिंग करता है तू।
I wanted to talk about something.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकल।
The 9 to 5 culture that exists throughout the world. As much as I'm kind of a hater for like working in jobs and everything because I really wanna be an entrepreneur. I wanna do something on my own. But I feel what a 9 to 5 does is it ingrains so much discipline and routine in your life that it's beautiful. I mean, मैंने ये last year किया था for 1 month and 1 week. And the one thing that it taught me was that every day I woke up and I had a routine. Like I knew कि अब मुझे ये टास्क करना है, अब मुझे ये टास्क करना है, अब मुझे ये टास्क करना है. And like no hate to anybody who's not doing a 9 to 5, but like as a solid and a professional 9 to 5 hater, I can guarantee you that a 9 to 5 will bring you, if nothing, it will get a lot of discipline into your life. And I can see that in my everyday life. Like the first day I hate it. Like जिस भी दिन मैं start करती हूँ काम करना, I hate it so much. I'm like, oh, अभी उठना पड़ेगा सुबह. But the second thought that comes in my mind is कि okay, no problem, it's a routine. There's a time I leave the office. No hate to anybody who preaches working hard for your goals and dreams and going above that threshold that normal people work. Like I get it that उतने level पे पहुँचने के लिए you need to do that much of hard work also. But what I also want to say out there to all of the adults जो हमसे थोड़े बड़े हैं, I would really want to put out one point which is that if my cup is not full, as in अगर मैं एक certain time पे clock out नहीं कर रही हूँ तो मेरे में अगले दिन काम करने की एनर्जी नहीं रहेगी. Like I will not function the next day. I need certain amount of rest hours so that the next day my brain can function. Learn when to take a break and learn when to just create that routine in your cycle. Ki like I'm working certain hours, but working is a part of my life. It is not my whole life. I have a life outside of this and I know how to live it, you know. Like that's what I want to tell all the elders. Please मुझे cancel मत करना. This is just my personal opinions. Yeah, that's about it. See you in the next vlog. I'm gonna sit and edit this vlog. Chalo, bye.